how to share pictures in gallery to other apps on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the gallery app. Next, in here, select the pictures that you want to share. So touch and hold on one of the pictures. Now you can select one or many pictures. So select the pictures that you want to share. Then tap on the share button at the bottom here. Okay, at the top here, there is an options button. So you can tap on it. Tapping on the options button will allow you to include location data and include all image and video data such as metadata and original as well as edited versions of images and videos. Okay, so you can include all of the information in the image or you can exclude them. Okay, next to share the image, you can share it to text messages, you can share it to Samsung Notes, WhatsApp, you can share Gmail, Facebook, and so on. Tap on the more button will display more apps. Now, depending on what is installed on your phone, my phone have very limited apps. So if you install a lot of apps in here, you will have a different list than mine. Okay, so choose the app that you want to share. So for example, I'm going to choose to share it to say text messages. So I tap on messages and then I'll choose that and tap on next. And here you can see the pictures has been included in this text. Okay, so next we can try to share it to say Note. So Samsung Note. So select that. And here we can choose add to existing note or add new note. And that's it. So it's now been shared to that app. And that is how you can share pictures in gallery to other apps on the Galaxy S25 series. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.